Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to use eBay local pickup efficiently and effectively. If you're a seller or a buyer looking to make transactions more convenient, this guide is perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. To start off, when you're browsing through listings, you might notice an option that says free local pickup in certain regions or locations. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to add it to your own listings. It's a great way to offer buyers the option to pick up items locally, saving both parties the hassle of shipping. Now, let's see how you can enable this feature on your listings. First, you'll need to navigate to your seller's dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the listings you currently have or the item you're planning to sell. For instance, if you have a draft listing ready, click on it. This action will allow you to modify the listing details. Now, to offer a local pickup option in your listing, go to the shipping details section. Here, you'll find various shipping methods. Simply select local pickup only. By doing so, your listings will be visible to buyers searching for local pickup options in their area. This feature enhances visibility and could potentially increase your sales. After you've set your listing to include local pickup, it's a good idea to verify it. Head over to the eBay search bar and try searching for listings with the local pickup option. You can refine your search by selecting free local pickup on the left side of the search results, or using the advanced settings. Enter your keywords or item number and then select local pickup from the options below. You'll notice that the search results will now include listings with local pickup options. Once you find an item you want to purchase with local pickup, you can proceed by clicking Buy It Now. After completing the purchase, it's essential to contact the seller directly to arrange a convenient time and place for collection. During this discussion, you should also agree on the payment method. Many sellers accept various payment options, including credit cards and Apple Pay. After the transaction is complete, the seller will send you an email containing a local pickup code or a QR code. This code is crucial for verifying your purchase at the time of pickup. Make sure to have it ready when you meet the seller. Scanning the QR code will confirm the transaction and complete the pickup process smoothly. And there you have it. This concludes our comprehensive guide on using eBay local pickup. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and guides. We'll see you in the next video.